What are the 5 signs you should go visit a dentist? I'm Dr. Rachel Miro, and I'm a dentist here at Dental Implant and Aesthetic Specialists. And today we're going to talk about those reasons. Reason number 1, your gums are bleeding. Are you brushing your teeth or flossing and you just get that little bit of blood? This probably means that you're due for a cleaning. Bleeding gums are usually indicative of swelling in the gums. A lot of times this swelling is due to plaque on the teeth. The main thing is really get into your doctor, go get a cleaning. A really good cleaning can minimize this bleeding. Unfortunately, bleeding gums can lead to periodontal disease. Periodontal disease is bacteria inside your gum tissue that eventually leads to bone loss. We really want to avoid this as much as possible. So if you have those bleeding gums when you're brushing your teeth or flossing, get in to see your dentist. It's super important. Reason number 2, have you been drinking some really cold water lately, or hot coffee, an iced coffee, and you just get that terrible sensitivity to hot and cold? This means you need to go see the dentist. This could be for a lot of reasons. It could be because you have a little bit of gum recession that is allowing that cold and hot to penetrate through that tooth and causing you sensitivity. Or it could be because something more serious is going on, like possibly a cavity or the need for a root canal. It's important, if you're experiencing hot and cold sensitivity, to go see your doctor and really get to know what that underlying problem is and make sure that we can get rid of that sensitivity. Prolonged sensitivity is just not good for your teeth. Reason number 3, you have a broken tooth. Did you chip a tooth? Break a tooth in the back while eating a nut or a hard candy? It's really important to see your dentist. You want to make sure that that little break doesn't propagate. It doesn't get worse. A lot of times you might have a little chip on a tooth and it might not bother you, and you might think, hey, this isn't a big deal. The truth is that what you can see is different than what your dentist can see. You could have small fracture lines, and by the time you get in to see your dentist, it might be too late. And that fracture can actually go deep into the root of the tooth or the bone and cause you a way bigger problem. So that being said, if you have a chipped tooth or a broken tooth, go in to see your dentist. You want to make sure that you're getting the proper treatment. Reason number 4, why you want to go see your dentist. You have a funky taste in your mouth all of a sudden? Something weird might be going on? Well, you want to go see your dentist. There's a lot of reasons why you can have a bad taste in your mouth. One thing can definitely be bad breath and things associated to that, like possible bacteria in your mouth. But another problem could be an infection. A lot of times this taste in your mouth can be an infected tooth. A lot of times when our teeth die per se, that means that the tooth might need a root canal. It no longer has a nerve and it doesn't cause you pain. But unfortunately, that can also mean that your tooth has an infection. When these teeth have infections, they can form abscesses or little pimples that drain in your mouth with yucky pus. This can cause you to have a really gross taste in your mouth. If this is the case and you have that sour taste, you definitely want to get in to see your dentist, regardless if you have pain or not. Reason number 5. Are you waking up at night with a terrible pain, have a throbbing sensation on your teeth, or even just minor pain that kind of lingers and is dull? You want to make sure you go see your dentist if you have pain. Pain can be for a lot of different reasons, but the main thing is that you don't want it to get worse. Sometimes if you let pain get bad enough, it can become chronic pain, and that makes it a lot harder for the dentist to treat. If you have pain, go see your dentist. If you have pain, come see us. We're happy to help. I'm Dr. Rachel Miro, and I'm a dentist here at Dental Implant and Aesthetic Specialists, and I'm here to help you watch your mouth. And today we're going to talk about why you need to go to the dentist and what are the main things. 5 of them.